Hello sunshines, my name is Nicki Sun and I love creating. Creating videos, creating communities, but ultimately creating more opportunities to engage with you, my lovely viewers. If you didn't know already, I recently quit my full-time job to start my own media company and to focus more on the things that I'm truly passionate about. And that's creating tech videos and continuing to interview people that both you and I love. For the past decade, I've worked on both sides of the camera. Behind the camera, I've been lucky to produce television shows, shoot and edit over 500 videos, direct infomercials, and create social media campaigns for over 50 artists a year. In front of the camera, I've emceed community events, covered red carpet premieres, made the occasional cameo on set, and continue to interview up-and-coming entertainers, entrepreneurs, artists, and athletes on my show, Now You Know. But now, I want to take my passions to the next level, up the amount of content on my current channel, and launch a completely different channel dedicated to tech reviews, tech tips, tech tutorials, and basically all the behind-the-scenes filmmaking content I've acquired in my projects. I think I have a different and unique perspective that this industry hasn't seen before, and I've been dying to share everything with you. But I realize I can't do this alone, and I've also been trying to find an even more personal way to connect with you, in addition to providing exclusive access. So I started a Patreon. Patreon is a platform that allows you to support me as a creator with a recurring monthly pledge. If you like what I do, or if any of my videos have provided any value to you over the years, I am humbly asking you for $1 a month to support my continued endeavors. If you'd like to donate more, great! You can check out all the perks on my Patreon page. If you'd like to donate and support with a one-time tip, skip all the perks, or even continue watching for free, that's also fine too. I will continue creating, and thank you so much for your support over the years. Please follow me on my brand new channel, Tech Nicki Speaking, and I hope you'll join me on Patreon.